Alright guys, welcome to another tutorial from Classic Games United. And today's tutorial we're going to be doing a video on how to unlock CM Punk DLC the game, because when you update the game to 1.08 you wouldn't see the CM Punk DLC. So I'm going to show you guys how to unlock the DLC, right? And this is my merchandise here guys, Classic Games United, as you can see. If you want to support guys, then you could purchase my deal. So I just want to show you all that get good. Let's know. Let me see how best I could angle the camera so you all could see. Classic Games United, right? Classic Games United, as you can see. So let's get into the tutorial guys and purchase my merchandise, right? I would appreciate it. Alright guys, so before you get into the tutorial, you go to the game, open up the game and go to here. As you will see, the DLC is not here, the CM Punk DLC is not here. And you will go to the Steam settings and you will open up this and you will see the DLC content is not here. So once you open up the game now, I'll be back, right guys? Alright guys, so we're gonna open the game now, right? And we're gonna see if you see the CM Punk DLC. Open up the game. So guys, just watch the tutorial and follow my steps, right? As you all know my tutorial, I have to show you all everything, show you all proof that the DLC is not there, and I will show you how to add the DLC. Alright, so we have to open the game first. So you will see that the DLC is not there, and when I adding the DLC you will see how it works, right? So this is a tutorial, so I have to show you all everything. Understand? It's very simple steps guys to follow, so you all can learn from me and stuff. So when you go into the game, the DLC will not be there, as you will see now. Just go to play. Alright, go to here and just check and see. You will not see CM Punk. You see CM Punk is not there. You see it's a hidden. You cannot, must purchase the DLC. So you see it's blocked, right? DLC, the CM Punk character is blocked, right? Alright, so we're gonna show you how to add the character. So just exit the game guys and follow me. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. So we'll go to your Google whatever browsing application you use. Alright, go to here, log into your account and type in WWE 2K24 Steam app ID. WWE, oh this is right here. Click on this guys. Alright, and this is everything here that you will need. This is DLC here, and this is what you will need. Alright, this is what you will need to add in. You have to add this inside of here. So you must add this inside here. You have to add this here, and you have to add it. So let's add it now, right? So let's go to the here, click on the ID number, right? Copy. Make sure I make a shortcut here, make a space, copy it here. Equal WWE 2K24. Make a space and go to here. Copy this. This is the code, right? Alright, no, we don't need for this. CM Punk pack, right? And click save. Alright, and then we will go back to here, DLC, and we're gonna do the same thing guys. Right, just copy the ID number Right, put it here, equal WWE 2K24, and then copy ECW CM Punk pack. So if you make English, guys, right, and this is it right here. Make sure it's lined up and just click save. Alright, and once you go back in the game, you will see that it's unlocked, right? So go back in the game. So if you make English, guys, sometimes I may jumble up my words a bit, but I hope that you all understand me, right? If you all don't understand me, just follow my example and everything should work, right? Alright, guys, so you see, thank you for purchasing CM Punk pack. The DLC has been added, right? So I'll be back, guys, because the music in the game will be turned on, and I will get a block for this, right? So let's go through all of this and then get into the game, right? So I'll be back. Alright, guys, we're back. So we just go to home, go to play, and there you have it. CM Punk has been unlocked, right? So you could play with him in the game. CM Punk has been unlocked. Alright, start the game. So guys, it's that simple, it's that easy to add your add the DLC. So anytime, guys, you realize that new DLC is out, then check that Steam App ID site and just add in the DLC and it will be unlocked, right? It's very simple, and I hope that you all enjoy this tutorial. I hope that you all understand me. So yeah, let's get into the game and play with CM Punk. There you go, guys, CM Punk has been added. It will freeze a bit, guys, because I'm recording. Those started the freezing. So there you go, CM Punk has been added, guys, and you can play with him in the game and stuff. Alright, so this is it for the tutorial, guys. I hope that I will see you in the next video to come. So take care and bye.